Introducing ROBAM U Series under the cabinet range hood. High performance, budget-friendly range hood you've been searching for. The dual motors create up to 1000 CFM. Outperforms most other brand in the market. We build the body with 304 stainless steel. We designed a timeless, minimalist look that fits any kitchen. Adapters are available for any common duct design. Even when your apartment building doesn't have an exhaust duct, the included filtration kit can filter out most smoke and harmful gas. Cleaning is also made easy with dishwasher-friendly filters. We also added gesture control. No more greasy fingerprints all over the panel, and it looks like magic. We added a smart sensor. Now your range hood can turn itself up when it detects more pressure in the exhaust duct. From making your egg quietly in the morning to leaving your bacon on the stove a little too long. Premium features, real-world price, no compromise. That's ROBAM.